babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this spring pastel sunflower sky look. I was inspired by a picture that I found on Google. It was like a sunflower field with a rainbow, and I kind of just wanted to bring that into a makeup look. I'm gonna kind of close in so you guys can see. If you guys want to see how I created this look, just keep watching.
You give me so. 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 I know you ain't a drug, but you give me so. You give me so. You give me so. You give me so. I know you ain't a drug, but you give me so. You give me so.
Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know if you guys like it, what you guys think. Did I nail it? Was it a fail? Was it too much? Do I look like a Crayola field gone wrong? Let me know in the comments. And just a quick reminder, if you're watching and haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, the bell button, so that you can get notified when I upload new videos. And give me some suggestions on what y'all want to see next. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great spring. And for those of you who are watching for the first time, feel free to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Boldglambabe. I usually post my looks on those sites first. So if you want to be one of the first people to see my looks when I create them, follow me on those two social medias.